He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of grace, emotional sensitivity, and refined vocal tone, Jimin didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a foundation in dance into one of the most expressive performance styles in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 13, 1995 in Busan, South Korea, Jimin's journey began far from global stages and international recognition. Performance was his earliest language. He trained in contemporary dance from a young age and later attended Busan High School of Arts, where he developed discipline, control, and emotional storytelling through movement. Encouraged by mentors, he pursued an audition for Big Hit Entertainment, stepping into a path that would reshape his life. Years of disciplined training followed. Entering as one of the later trainees, he faced intense pressure to match the level of others within a short period. Through persistence and relentless practice, he refined his vocals, dance technique, and stage presence while adapting to the demanding standards of the K-pop industry. In 2013, he officially debuted as a vocalist and performer in BTS. The group's early impact quickly positioned them as a rising force, and Jimin's expressive dance style and emotionally driven performances became one of the defining elements of their identity. His performance style, fluid yet powerful, precise yet deeply emotional, stood out across both high-energy choreography and slower, introspective pieces. As BTS expanded into global markets, headlining stadium tours and dominating international charts, Jimin emerged as a key figure in bridging performance artistry with emotional connection. His solo chapter marked a significant evolution. In 2023, he released his debut solo album, Face, with tracks like Crazy, achieving historic international success. The project revealed a more introspective layer of his artistry, exploring themes of identity, pressure, and self-reflection. Rather than relying solely on group success, he demonstrated individuality and personal storytelling. By 2026, Jimin is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry professionals recognize his consistency and emotional depth. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and fashion houses view him as a refined cultural figure. His career reflects careful growth, balancing group achievements with solo exploration. Off-stage, his lifestyle blends discipline with quiet elegance. He maintains routines that support physical conditioning, vocal care, and mental focus. His approach to daily life reflects balance, structure, and sustained creative attention. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic identity. Known for sleek silhouettes and modern luxury styling, he frequently represents global brands and appears at international fashion events. His poised confidence allows him to transition seamlessly between performance stages and high-fashion environments. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently directs attention toward his work and artistic development. Within the industry, he is described as dedicated, introspective, and deeply connected to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, he has secured international recognition and lasting influence within the global expansion of K-pop. What many find compelling is his emotional transparency. Through both performance and music, he conveys vulnerability and sincerity, creating a connection that feels genuine and enduring. This emotional clarity defines his artistic presence. Jimin's journey is defined by refinement rather than repetition. From a dance student in Busan to a global performer, his rise reflects discipline, sensitivity, and artistic intention. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, expressive, composed, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of youthful charm, steady determination, and a vocal tone that continued to mature with every passing year, I.N didn't simply debut as the youngest member of Stray Kids. He built an identity of his own, transforming raw potential into one of the most promising careers in modern K-pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 8, 2001, in Busan, South Korea, I.N's journey began far from the massive concert arenas and global stages he would eventually conquer. Born as Yang Jong-in, he grew up in a supportive environment where he developed an early interest in music and performance. His natural curiosity, positive attitude, and willingness to work hard would eventually guide him toward the entertainment industry. As a teenager, he joined JYP Entertainment and entered one of the most demanding trainee systems in South Korea. The experience challenged him physically, mentally, and artistically. During these formative years, he focused on strengthening his vocal abilities, improving his stage presence, and adapting to the highly competitive world of K-pop. A major turning point arrived in 2017 when he participated in the survival program Stray Kids. Despite being among the youngest contestants, he demonstrated resilience and determination throughout the competition. His growth impressed both audiences and mentors, ultimately earning him a place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as the youngest member of Stray Kids. His voice quickly became an essential component of the group's evolving sound. Bright, expressive, and increasingly refined, his vocals added emotional balance to Stray Kids' energetic performances. As the group achieved international success through chart-topping albums, sold-out tours, and record-breaking achievements, I.N continued to mature as both a vocalist and performer. Over the years, his artistic development became one of the most noticeable within the group. Fans witnessed a remarkable transformation from a shy teenager into a confident entertainer capable of commanding major stages around the world. His consistent improvement highlighted a work ethic built on patience, discipline, and self-belief. By 2026, I.N is regarded as far more than simply the youngest member of Stray Kids. Industry observers recognize his vocal growth and stage confidence, while fans admire his sincerity and positive energy. His career reflects continuous evolution, proving that long-term dedication often creates the strongest foundation for success. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance and personal growth. He maintains a disciplined schedule that supports both physical health and artistic development. Whether practicing vocals, preparing for performances, or spending time with fellow members, he approaches his responsibilities with professionalism and maturity. His fashion presence has also gained significant attention. Known for his polished appearance and sophisticated style, I.N frequently showcases a blend of modern trends and classic elegance. His evolving image mirrors his personal journey, youthful yet increasingly refined with each passing year. While public interest often extends to his private life, he remains thoughtful about maintaining boundaries. Rather than focusing on unnecessary attention, he consistently places emphasis on personal improvement, music, and meaningful connections with fans. Those who work alongside him often describe him as respectful, hardworking, and genuinely appreciative of the opportunities he has received. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various entertainment projects. Beyond financial achievements, he has earned something equally valuable: credibility as an artist who continues to grow with every new chapter of his career. What many find most inspiring about I.N is his visible transformation. Fans have witnessed every stage of his development, from trainee to international performer. His journey serves as a reminder that growth is often built through consistency rather than instant success. I.N's story is defined by progress rather than shortcuts. From a young boy in Busan to a globally recognized K-pop star, his rise reflects perseverance, humility, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of growth, resilience, and the power of believing in one's potential. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.